Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to our latest installment of the Enduro Corner. I'm Allison with BTI, and today we're going to talk a little bit about grips, specifically for enduro riding. So I've got tons of different grip options out there. It's hard to tell what to choose or where to start, so I'm going to go through a couple different choices that kind of span the spectrum of grips and let you guys see which one might be your favorite. So getting started, got some of the more simple options out there. We got the silicone grips from ESI. These are gonna be super soft and come in a ton of different colors, which is really cool. So you can match your bike, which is neat. But what's really nice about these is they have a ton of shock absorption. So they're gonna be really comfortable on your hand. And they really give you good control over the handlebar, which is nice because you really get a good feel with those. In a similar kind of vein, we've got the Chuck silicone grips as well. These are going to be a little bit thinner than the ESIs, but both of these brands come in a couple different thicknesses, so you can go with the extra chunky or something a little thin, just depending upon how soft you like your ride to be. But pretty similar in terms of giving you really good shock absorption, good control on the handlebar as well, but really going to kind of take some of those damping effects from the ride, which is really nice. Next option, we've got the OneUp Components lock-on grips. These are another awesome option that comes in a handful of different colors so you can match your bike. What I like about these is that they've got these kind of flanges on there, and so it really gives you a good platform for your hand, and you know exactly where you need to put your hand, and it really locks you into that grip. So you don't feel like you're moving around at all, but it also really is supportive on the ends there for you as well. Another good option would be the WTB Wafel grip. This is another clamp-on grip. And what I like about these is it's a more uniform pattern there, but this is gonna be really good in those wet conditions. So tons of different raised kind of grip parts on there for you, so you get good traction even when it's wet or in all different types of riding conditions. So you don't have to worry about your hand slipping or moving around. Another good option from ODI is the Elite Pros. These also have a raised platform there for your hand to grip onto, but what I also like about these is that they've got a flange on the end to keep your hand from sliding off the side. So sometimes I like to ride my hand kind of far to the outside, but I know I'm nice and stable with these. I'm not gonna slide my hand off the end there. And lastly, this is my personal favorite, the ODI Rogues. Really good choice. What's different about these and some of the others is they're a little thicker. So if you like a really soft but also really supportive grip, this is a good option. They're good balance between softness and also giving you that nice shock absorption, but they're nice and thick. So good platform to hold on to, a lot of good handlebar control on those. What's nice about these as well is that they are lock-ons and you can get different colors to match your bike. So these ones are gold, but there's tons of different options out there. So lots of different ways to bling up your bike and make it as comfortable as you want, depending upon where you're riding. So those are just some of the options out there for grips, but let us know in the comments what kind of grips you like to ride or what you would like to see us feature on the channel here. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos of the Enduro Corner, and we'll see you next time.